tonewo apo pamunorangarira vanhu venyu tangaineni imbotangaineni apo pamunoshanyira vana venyu imbotangaineni.
After this youth camp, I will never ever stuck at the back, but I can face any battle. Now he here from the ghetto, cause his love is real and gentle. He picked me from the dust to be who I am today. Now it's special with faces, no matter what they say. What's happening, folks? The name is Forever the King, Solidarity, and welcome to the youth camp day 5, my G. And it is happening. So right about now, let's get in there and have some conversations, my G.
Lift up your hands and say, Tangaine, hey!
Happening right here. It is. Yo, Tinashe, my guy. How is it, my man? Yeah.
Ignite.
Ignite. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Tinashe, my guy, right there. My guy, how is it?
Yeah, enjoying, my brother. This is the best experience ever.
And the voice is no longer there.
That's igniting. We are enjoying. We are here. We are enjoying every moment since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is a Friday.
Yes.
And it's amazing, my brother.
We are being ignited. You know what, Tinashe? Way back home, people, they say that you sing better than me. But now, knowing that you have lost your voice, this is my chance, all right? I have a song that I wrote some time ago, and it goes like this. Judas wakaite chirukas wakatengesa Jesu nekuda koi. Judas wakaita chirukas wakatengera Jesu nekuda koi. Ande kumba kwa mwezi Jesu wakudzoka iwewe.
Ante.
Ukaona uchisara timoniri newe iwewe. Timoniri newe iwewe. Happening right here in Chinoi, folks. Right now I'm with my brother. What's happening, man?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
I can actually see that you're ignited, eh?
I am.
And also I'm loving the design. It doesn't matter that we are in between mountains, but still you are killing it, my guy.
Keep the swag, bro. You've got to keep
and
the
also some nice sunglasses there. I'm pretty sure that you also carry some sunscreen as well.
I did.
Yes.
Prepared for the day.
Brother, if I am to run it back a little bit, yesterday was late. We were with Pastor Simba. Is there something in particular that you'd want to talk about?
Thank you again, my brother. Pastor Simba was just up there. You know, you could tell how pained he was. And I really got the message that we need to be like Ehud. In as much as he was the governor, he was in another system, but he had, you know, to take up the responsibility of being the blacksmith, to forge that knife, to defeat, to destroy the Eglon system. That's what I got, the consumptive system of this world. That's what I'm taking home. I need to go out there. I don't need to complain, but I need to fight. I need to find solutions. I need to go after that thing that I know. Identify problem, give a solution, and I'm good to go.
This is Giselle, and we are here at the 2024 Annual Youth Camp at the Chinoi Prayer Mountain. With me, I have Miss Ashley.
Hi, Giselle. Honestly, the morning session was profound. One thing that I got from Mr. Marange that I'm going to keep with forever is divine intervention plus hard work is equals to success. And I'm going to apply that in my life, Giselle.
I really liked the morning prayer. It was intense and you could actually feel the atmosphere was different. And I also learned about commercial law because I wanted to do commercial law, and it ignited me to know that I can do anything if I don't stop dreaming. I can do anything. Anything is possible.
Yo, what's happening, folks? The name is Forever the King, Solidarity, and indeed you are watching Christ TV. It is happening right here in Chinoi Youth Camp. We are being ignited. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm being joined by Chantel. Just look at her, man. You can actually tell that she is indeed ignited. Chantel, how is it?
It's okay.
Great. Is there something in particular that you have learned, especially today?
Yes, I've learned how to handle situations, both mentally and physically.
You have learned to?
Handle situations properly, both mentally and physically.
I will testify your goodness, of your mercy. I want the one day you are.
Welcome back. You're still watching Christ TV, and right now we are on day 5, like I said earlier on. I'm going to start from my left. I want these guys to tell me their names, and then we see how it goes. Right? I'm going to start from here.
My name is Fanny.
What?
Fanny.
Fanny. Taku.
Marshall.
Marshall.
Trevor.
Trevor.
Gift.
Gift.
Maki.
Maki.
Oscar.
Oscar.
Casey.
KC. All right. And Giorgio.
Manando.
Nando. Nando's. Yeah. And you know what? We're not going to talk about anything. We just want to say something to you. And it goes like, keep it locked. You're watching Christ TV. Magic.